Welcome to DGWBrain, the smart operational intelligence engine built by DGW.ai to transform how businesses assess, optimize, and automate their operations. This is more than software. It's a strategic AI consultancy platform designed to unlock real ROI, reduce inefficiencies, and identify automation opportunities across your operations. The journey begins at the Upload Center. Here, clients or consultants can submit operational data, whether from DGServe smart forms, ERP-generated CSVs, Excel sheets, or PDF reports. The system is flexible and accepts a wide range of input formats. As soon as a file is uploaded, DGWBrain's back-end validation engine automatically scans and parses the data, ensuring all entries are complete, consistent, and ready for intelligent analysis. Each submission is then tracked in real time through the submission tracker. The status will show as pending, validated, or flagged for any missing data, giving full transparency and control. Once validated, DGWBrain's AI-powered engines take over. First, it scores the operation across three critical dimensions: operational efficiency, automation readiness, and digitalization maturity. Next, it generates a dynamic smart report that not only summarizes the current performance, but also recommends practical steps, from automation upgrades to AI-driven process enhancements, tailored to the client's needs. Recommendations are backed by solid data. Each includes potential ROI, transformation roadmaps, and pre-qualified suppliers and technologies. These are not generic tips. They are intelligent, customized action plans, aligned with real market benchmarks and internal operations. Whether it's reducing downtime, optimizing manpower, or transitioning to robotics, DGWBrain pinpoints the what, why, when, and how, all in one clean, export-ready report. For consultants and internal teams, the admin dashboard offers system-wide oversight, seeing all client submissions, their scores, and performance metrics in one unified interface. Custom KPIs, smart alerts, and benchmarking tools enable proactive support and deeper insights, giving DGW.ai a scalable edge in delivering professional data-backed consultancy. DGWBrain is built to grow, with upcoming modules like forecast simulation, real-time market pricing, live supplier suggestions, and mobile reporting. The platform is always evolving to meet the demands of next-generation industry transformation. This is how you digitize operations with intelligence. This is how you make AI work for business. DGServe designs it. DGSys builds it. DGWBrain powers it.